first thing is payback period. Okay, so we have to calculate payback period. Okay, so the payback period, as we all know, is one of the methods that we use to decide which investment we go for. So in this case, we want to purchase machine A or B. Which one should we purchase, looking at their cost as well as their cash flow? Okay. So the payback period, this is a method whereby you only look at how long does it going to take for this investment to recover its cost. Okay, how long does it going to take for this particular investment to recover the cost? Okay, this method is commonly used. A lot of people, when they decide they are trying to decide which investment to go for, they will look at how long is it going to take for it to recover the cost that they put that particular investment. Yeah, so let's see how we go about it. Okay, so let me just write it from here. We've been given the cost, so we've been given two machines, machine A. So here we have machine A. Okay, machine A. Okay, and they have told that that's the cost. They have given us the cost for machine A, which is machine A cost, which is 10,000. 10,000. Okay, and then they have also given us machine B, which is 20,000, the cost. Okay, so these are the cost. So how long is it going to take us for us to recover 10,000, looking at the cash flows for this particular machine, which is machine A? And then how long again is it going to take us for us to recover our 20,000 for machine B? Okay, so you have to present it in a nice way. You have to present it nicely. Okay, it has to be clear enough. So we are going to use a table in solving this particular question, finding the payback period. We are going to have a year here. We are going to have year. Okay, so we have 5 years in this case. We have year 1, we have year 2, we have year 3, we have year 4, and we have year 5. Okay, so we are going to use a table. Okay, and then we have two machines, of course. We have machine A. So here we are going to put machine A. Okay, so this is our machine A. So for machine A, we have cash flows. Okay, and then here we have, so these are cash flows that we are coming in, and then here we are going to have cumulative cash flows. Okay, so this is for machine A. And then B here again, machine B, we are going to have cash flows here. Okay, and the cumulative cash flows here again for machine B. Okay, so this is how we do it. You have to present it nicely like this. Okay, so cash flows for machine A, we've been given. Okay, so we've been given 2,000 year 1, 2,000 year 2. So you just copy those cash flows that we've been given here, you put them there. Okay, so here we put our cumulative cash, which means how much is remaining after this particular amount has come. How much is the balance for our cost to be covered fully? Okay, so we have our cost for this particular machine. We are dealing with machine A, remember. So this particular machine, our cost is what? 10,000. Okay, so 10,000 when we've received 2,000 in first year, which means we remain with a balance of how much? Of 8,000. Okay, so we just do 10,000 minus 2,000. We are going to have 8,000. This will be our balance.
8,000 minus 2,000, we are going to have 6,000. 6,000 minus 2,000, here we are going to have 4,000. Okay, 4,000 minus 2,000, we are going to have 2,000. Okay, 2,000 minus 2,000, now we are going to have 0, which means the amount has been covered. The whole cost of machine A has been covered, and it took us 5 years. Okay, according to the cash flows that we have, it has taken us 5 years to recover the cost. So therefore the payback period for machine A is equal to 5 years. Okay, 5 years. 5 years. Done. So for machine A, we are done. So let's go to machine B now. So machine B, cash flows for machine B, we have 3,000, 3,000, 5,000, 5,000. Okay, 5,000, and then we have 10,000, and then we have 8,000, 8,000, and finally 11,000. Okay, so now we are using this cost for machine B, which is 20,000. So we are going to say 20,000 minus this one, we put here. 20,000 minus, that amount that will be here minus this one, like that. That's how we'll be going. So 20,000 minus 3,000, we have 17,000 here. 17,000. Okay. 17,000 minus 5,000, we have 17,000 minus 5,000, we have 12,000. 12,000. 12,000. 12,000 minus 10,000, we remain with 2,000 here. 2,000 minus 8,000, we're going to have negative what? 6,000. Negative 6,000. So negative 6,000 minus 11,000, we're going to have negative what? 17,000. Okay. So for this particular machine, we don't have exact years, because we see that here we are remaining with 2,000, but for us to move from this third year to go to fourth year, there is a certain balance that we remain with, which is exceeding the cash flow that is made here. Okay, so for us to find the number of years that this machine will take to, this particular investment will take to recover itself according to its cash flows, we are going to use a simple formula, which is payback period is equal to A plus B over C. Okay, that's a simple formula that we should be using. Okay, so which will be equal to, so our A is our what? The year that gives us the last positive cumulative cash flow. Okay, the year that gives us the last positive cumulative cash flows. Okay, so I'm repeating. A on that formula represent the year of the last positive cumulative cash flow. So the last positive cumulative cash flow is this one. From here we'll go to negative. So the last positive is this one. So we get the A. So the A for this one is 3,000. Okay. So where there is A here, we put, it's 3. Sorry, it's 3. It's here 3. So we put 3 plus B. Okay. So our B now is the actual cumulative cash flow. Okay, the actual cumulative cash flow for the last positive cumulative cash flow. So which is the actual 2,000. Okay, so we're going to put 2,000 where there is B. Okay, and then our C now is the total cash flow of the period after A. Total cash flow of the period after A. A, we are referring to this one. So total cash flow for the period after A. The period after A is period number 4. Okay, and the total cash flow is this one. Okay, is this one, 8,000. Okay, so we are going to put 8 here, 8,000. Cancel zeros, we are going to have 3 plus 2 over 8. Okay, so which will be 3 plus, what is 2 over 8? 2 over 8 is 0.25. Okay, so our payback period for machine B could be equal to 3.25 years. Okay, if you want to convert this to 0.25 into months, we just multiply it by 12 because we have 12 months in a, so 0.25 times 12, we have 3, so which means it's 3 years, 3 months. Okay, that's the payment, the payback period for machine B. Okay, so that's how you go about it. And for you to make a decision, you go for an investment that has got the shorter payback period. Okay, so for machine A we found 5 years, and for machine B we found 3 years 3 months, which means machine B is more attractive to invest in. Okay, so that's how you go about it. In the next video we are going to look at how to find the accounting rate of returns, which is ARR. Thank you.